There are 7 basic quantities in physics. Why they are called basic quantities? Because they are the basis of every other quantity, every other physical quantity. Any physical quantity can be broken down into the basic physical quantities. Now there are 7 in number. These are length. It is one of the 7 basic physical quantities. Then we have mass. Then there is time. After that we have temperature, not just temperature but thermodynamic temperature. Then we have amount of substance. Then there is the light intensity. Lastly, electric current. These are the 7 basic quantities. They're also called the 7 fundamental quantities, because these physical quantities make up all other physical quantities which you will come across in your entire life.